Alright guys, this is what we're going to do today. We are going to be edging down the entire side of the house. You can see I've got my line set out 4 foot from the house here, and we're going to go all the way down to the end. We'll see how we get, but we're going to start off, but we're going to pull the plants out, pull the grass out, then we're going to replant the plants in the location we want them, put the heavy duty textile fabric down, and then river rock on top. So I hope you guys will stick around, see how this turns out. I'm pretty excited about this project, and we're freshening up some stuff here at my parents' place. Stick around. Got the line on the ground here. We're gonna go ahead and pull our straight line out. We're gonna get the tractor in here and remove all the sod and the plants, and then come back and add it on. So let's keep moving.
I will say it is pretty impressive how well this heavy hitch tooth part does work. Aside from the gaps between the teeth, which is expected with this style of tooth part, this thing does a great job ripping through the sod. Couldn't be happier with the performance in this situation.
All right, we got most of the grass removed with the loader on this end. We're gonna start here and continue down, but we're gonna go ahead here. We've got our line set up, or line level on it, just to see for heights, to maintain somewhat of a normal height here. And now we're gonna run the edger down the side just to give us a nice clean cut, and then set them down the ground most of the way. Continue around the corner here and fill this in. We'll backfill in the inside with dirt. And then, like I said before, we're gonna put geotextile down here in river rock. So let's keep going and let's see how this all turns out. I'm happy with how it's going so far, and the tractor's doing a great job. Oh, around 1,000 pounds of bricks, like 975 is what it meant to be. And Max got him here. It's a little heavy, a little too much on the front, but we were able to maneuver over here and we got him without carrying them all. So let's keep going. We got it all in on this side. Looking then good. We're gonna rake this all back, fill in the outside edge here, and we'll get textile fabric down next and rock. So far so good. Okay, we got the sawed off most all this. We got a couple low spots down here we're gonna fill in, and you can see down here we got this piece done. We're gonna drop a stake here with a line on it, level down to where we're gonna stop at for today, get this filled in, and we get this edging done. All right, guys, we're on day 2 of the flower bed freshen up, whatever you want to call it, the installation of the edgers. Again, just to recap, we got the edgers in place here. We're gonna rake a little bit more of this grass out, or the dirt out here to get it flat. We have some high quality, well, in my opinion, high quality landscape fabric, geotextile, some DuraWeb geotextile. I'll put a link below. There's some stuff that's very similar. It's a 4 foot by 125 foot roll. This stuff does do a good job at maintaining the separation of your aggregate or rock in this dirt here, and also provides drainage for the plant so it can get the moisture and the nutrients it needs. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get this rake down here. It's gonna be a hot one today, about 90 degrees, I think. Then we're gonna use the Mahindra here, get the bucket on it, and we have some 5/8 to 2 inch river rock we're gonna put in here along this, and kind of go from there. So stick around. I hope you guys enjoy this part. All right, we got fabric down on this side. We're gonna go ahead and backfill this with the river rock we're doing. All right, let's keep going. thought I was doing a good job getting all the rock in there, but it must be. Guys, we got this side all done too. Fabric it in. We're just taking the excess fully in the front and stapling it down. Just in case we decide to fill it in later and take plants out, we're gonna come back and cut the rest of this out here and finish off. All right, guys, we got it all done. Let's take a look. Check it out. So we got it all done. We got a little bit of yard work to do here, fill in some low spots and put grass seed down. But I think it turned out quite nice for a few days, for a couple days work. I think it turned out real nice. We're gonna do something different with the downspout here to get out a little farther, but I think overall we're pretty happy with how it turned out. Get some grass seed on it and we'll be good to go. Well, guys, let me know how you think this turned out. I think that turned out quite nice. If you have any comments, concerns, put them down here in your comments below. And I will put down in the description links to the fabric and such, the stakes that we've used in this project. Again, like this heavy duty textile fabric we use, it's a very good segregation for our aggregate or our gravel in this situation and the soil below it. I think it turns out quite nice, and the rest of our flowers look good. We are gonna add some pots back in here, some plants on at some point and down the way here. And we'll get this all, raked out and grass seeded down. So thanks again for stopping in today, guys. Appreciate you all watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Kyle signing out.